Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a domain checker website. So basically, I have already created this website, and the website is basically, for now, it is compressedjpg.com. As I said before, this is the free domain that I have available within other my domains, and I am only experimenting on it. So I'm not registering it in Google or any other things. Only my purpose is to guide you how to create such a website without any coding. So here you can have a look here. This is the website which I have just created, and it looks, I think, kind of good. Now let's go ahead, and suppose I want to check a domain. Suppose I want to check SEO. How about tiny SEO? Let's go ahead and search for it. We'll have to wait and see the result. Now you can see that by default the .com extension has been taken, but you can see that the other domains, they are not taken. Suppose tinyseo.org, it is not taken. .net and other stuff. And when you click on the buy, it's going to take you to the NameCheap, where I have inserted my affiliate link. So simply put, you can create such a website, and then you can insert your affiliate links there and then start earning from it. Now the thing is that creating a website is another case, but promoting the site is entirely another case. So I leave the marketing of that website up to you. Only I'm guiding you how to create such a website. So you can see that from this panel you can just simply check if the domain is available or no. However, if you have no idea about the domain, then there is the option of the domain generator. You have to just simply type the first or second letter and then click generate. Now it is going to generate multiple domains for you that you can use, or simply you can register them yourself. So here you can see that there are a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, there is a lot of domain that basically this site is suggesting you. And what about the whose information, which basically whose information it's going to show you the detail of that domain. Suppose this is IntoZoom.com is my other site. You can see that if I have to insert that one, it's going to show the entire detail, where it has registered, what is the creation date of this website, and when it's going to expire, and when it was updated. So you can see that the entire details regarding to the domain, you are going to get it there. I think IP address, no, that is not here. So how about the IP address? You can also get it from here, reverse IP, and then press enter. You can just go on and check out. You can see that this is the IP address, where is the servers they are located. Now every detail is going to show you with full detail. There's also the option of the domain location. Let's just go ahead and then search for it. You can see that where it is registered, you can see, I mean, the servers are located, and then there is the DNS lookup if your site is running or no. These days, I don't know, for whatever reason, side of the site make use of .com, I think it's not responding in my location for whatever reason. I have no idea. So if you have to simply test the domain and then analyze, you can see that the domain where it is available, or yeah, so basically you can check if the DNS of that domain is working or no. I think the DNS section is not really working well. Yeah, it is not working well, but instead you can use the DNS lookup. Where was that one? Sorry. Yeah, DNS checker. DNSchecker.net. Sorry, what is my DNS.net? You can just use this site, and then this site is going to exactly show that where and which location this site has been down. You can see that this site is down in Germany, and there is the Turkey. uh, so yeah, there are the other locations which the DNS server is not responding for whatever reason. So basically I think if you have a coder among your team, or if you yourself are a coder, then I think it is good idea that you should also add a category of uh, hosting, where you have to simply use the affiliate links of that hosting, or you can use the also use the category of the blog. Now blog is a very powerful option. You have to just simply create articles and try to rank it on Google. Now once that is ranked directly, your site is going to increase uh, its potential on Google. So basically this is how you can create such a website without any issue. So you can see that everything is working well, even the homepage and other stuff. So let me I have to show you to the dashboard. That is if you have to simply type your domain and then /admin, it is going to take you to that place. Let me, I don't know what was the password. Let me, if I have to remember it or no. Am I correct? Yeah. So you can see that this is the dashboard of this domain checker website. Currently the version that I am using, it is I think 1.7, and the latest version of this code is available within the Code Canyon. You can get it from here. So Code Canyon is basically say that CodeCanyon.net is a platform of the inventor market. uh, from here you can get the scripts. Just you have to buy the script for $49, and then you'll have to simply upload it. I'm going to show how you can basically upload and install it on your website, and then the site is ready and you are good to go with everything. So the tool is here. You have to buy this tool from here, but for this video I'm not using I'm not buying it. Instead I'm using correct version of these theme. So basically you can have a look here. This is the dashboard of the site, and you can say that you can create manage pages, add admins and many other stuff. But the thing that I am very interested in, that is the TLDS. It is basically the link that you are inserting there. Remember when you simply search for a domain and you clicked on it and it took you to the NameCheap hosting. So basically you can insert your affiliate link here and that is all good to go. Yeah, you can see that, change global link and everything, and it is good to go. Just insert them and you're good, and everything is totally fine. Now the good thing is that when you are buying this tool from the codecanyon.net, basically they have a support system. So you can see that support system is by default available for 6 months. You can also extend this support system for I think for 12 months or more. It is up to you. Now the thing is that you can chat with them, ask any questions that regarding the tool, or if you want to add another category, if you're not a coder, then they are going to help you. But that my experience tell me that 6 months is totally fine. After 6 months you will also receive updates. That is not any issue at all. Even every time if they update the tool, you will receive the update on your website and everything is good to go. So this is the domain checker website that I have created. Now let's just go ahead and start with the process of creating such a website. Okay, the very first thing is that you need a domain. It does not matter it is a .com, .net, or whatever extension that you are using. It is up to you. So I'm always using namecheap.com for my main, sorry, for registering domain. So basically this is the place where I'm managing all my domains. You can just simply come here and then simply type the domain that you want to register for it. Suppose can yeah, tinyseo.org, and then press enter. Simply click add to cart. Also remember that you have to add the SSL certificate too. Now it is going to bring the SSL certificate right now here. Hold on please. Here is the SSL. Now click also add to cart. It is going to cost $14.14. Now click checkout. If you have an account previously created, then you are good to go. If you have not created, then no problem. So yeah, there is no issue at all. And now click confirm order. Now this is the place where I have to simply log in your account and credentials and other stuff. So I'm leaving this part up to you because it is easy. Now regarding to the hosting, you can use the Namecheap hosting too, but for some reason, for many reasons, I am not recommending it, even though my two websites are currently hosted within the Namecheap, because I am really having a lot of the speed problems with the Namecheap on the shared hosting. I'm not talking about the other hostings, only the shared hosting. So remember, it's up to you. However, there are also other platforms, other hostings that you can use to register to buy a hosting. Now, I'm recommending hostinger.com. It is cheap, it has a great support system, and besides, for creating such a website, the hostinger is, I think, very best option for you. Well, it is cheap, so if you go ahead to the web hosting, you will see that there are a lot of yeah, you can see that $1.39 per month, and you can host a single website. However, I only recommend you to choose the second option, which is the premium shared hosting. That's all. You have to just simply click select, and then yeah, for 4 years it's going to cost you $111. 4 years you have to decide. Now for 12 months it's going to cost $27. Yeah, however, yeah, it is really cool. Also, for the first time when you are coming and registering inside the hostinger.com, they will give you a free domain, so there is no need even for you to register your domain on the Namecheap. So it's up to you. So I have my own policy. It's up to you which policy you are using. My policy is that I'm registering my domains on the Namecheap and using the hostinger as my main hosting. So it is up to you to decide. After choosing the hosting and by purchasing them, let's begin to the process. Now the very first thing is that you have to log in inside your hosting. Sorry, I have to remove this section. I need to log in inside my account. Why it is not working? Something is wrong, I think. Yeah, there is a network issue, I think. Yeah, hold on please. Yeah, sorry for that, there was the network problem. So visit hostinger.com and then log in there. Okay, now I have just inserted my credentials and now it's going to the dashboard. For some reason, I don't know, my network has gotten really slow. I don't know why. Is there any background process going on or no? Let's check in. No, nothing is going on. Then why is really working so slow? Okay, for now. Okay, I'm going to the category of hosting self. I am hosting multiple websites. So now click on manage, and basically this is the H panel of the hostinger. So if you are using another hosting like Namecheap, InMotion hosting, HostGator, or any other hosting, so basically they have the C panel, so that is not a problem either. You can just simply visit there and then use the same way that I am using. So only hostinger has H panel and those side has the C panel. So once you are there, uh, go to the file manager. So go to the public HTML directory, and now from here you can see that these are the currently uploaded files of the domain search website. So for now I'm going to delete all of them. So to delete it, just select all of them and now click delete, and I'm also going to delete them permanently. And once they are deleted, you have to simply upload the script that you have downloaded from the Inventor market. So sorry, the script that I have is here, domain tools version 1.7. So for now you can see that it's going to upload it. The size is around 2 MB. That is not very large, and it's going to be soon. So once it is uploaded, just right click on it and choose an archive. uh, Simply click dot, so it should extract it here exactly. Mm, and also override the files, and now click unarchive. So everything is done, but for some reason it is not still there. So we have to click go on to the my files, select all of them except the trash, and now move all of them to the public HTML directory, and now click move. Click replace. What is going on? Oh, sorry. Yeah, nothing is there, so everything is okay. Now you can just simply delete this tool, so no one else should download it, and everything is good to go. Now if I have to refresh my domain, you will see that there is nothing at all except the installation window, so it is good to go and we are set up. Now click install. From here, here is the welcome screen, which is saying thank you for purchasing the product, and now click next. There is the license category, you have to insert that one. As I said before, this is a correct version of the tool, and you can see that here are the three stuff that are really needed. You can see that they all have to be enabled. So if they are not available, contact your hosting support system, and now click next. Okay, the next thing is the database. That is really important. So you have to come back to the your H panel or C panel, and now click MySQL databases, and after that one have to create a database specifically for the domain. So for now I'm going to delete the previous database that I created for uh, that site that in the beginning of the video I explained. So for now just delete that one. Yeah, everything is done. So create a new database. The database should be, how about domain. Database username should also be domain. I'm going to simply use the password that everyone is using. Yeah, now it is created. Now simply copy the database name, copy. Where is that one? Sorry, where was, yeah, here that is. So database host is localhost. Now database name is this one. And the next thing is that you have to copy the database user. Paste that one also here, and now type the password. Okay, once everything is okay, click verify. Now it is done. Now you're saying that you have to create an administrator account. So I'm going to simply type my own name, this email address, and password, and again password. Click create admin account. Okay, they are automatically generated by themselves. So click finish installation. Okay, now it is done. We have to just simply refresh the site, and now you can see that it is totally okay and everything is working fine. So now let's just go ahead and log in into the website. You have to simply type /admin and now press enter. uh, Enter your name or email address and then the password. and click sign in, and everything is good to go. So this is basically how you can create such a website without any issue, without any coding at all. So you can see that. Now regarding the settings, you have to go everything, you have to simply go around every setting of them. So suppose there is the general option. Now here you can see that this is the favicon icon. You can this small icon that you can see here, there is the favicon icon. You can just simply change it, upload another small favicon icon, which I do not have right now. So there is your you can also change it. So by default you can see that if you visit your main website, compress jpg.us, you can see that. Where was that one? Yeah, here is the, you can see that domain search domainer that is written. You can change it to something else. Suppose tiny. What about domain checker? You can also change the information down there, the copyright, which is located at the end, the bottom, yeah, you can see that that was domain search, and now that is domain checker. So this is really simple. So you have to go around all the settings. Yeah, here you can see that it has add sports, so you can just simply enable and insert your code, affiliate codes or Google AdSense codes. It is up to you. uh, Additional assets, I don't know what it is. Oh, there is the CSS, JavaScript, your own files. If you have a custom editing stuff, you can just go on and insert them. Here is the Google Analytics section. You can add the code here. So Google Short, track your website, and here is the category where you can change the logo of the site. So you can see that by default the logo is this thing. You can change it to something else if you wish. It is saying the contact page, sorry, contact page. Yeah, or yeah, you can just simply download the same image, and then instead of this domain you have to simply type your own domain and then re-upload the same image here. That is not a big deal. You can also change the email address and other stuff. You can just go on over. There is the API settings. If you have other, if you want to configure other settings, and there's the currency settings, you can also configure them. By default the tool inside the Accord Canyon, I think that has more than 10 languages. You can ask, yeah, for these settings to function, exchange rate API must be enabled in settings. So you have to configure this in the API category. After that one, it's going to work. And there's also the FAQs. You can add as many FAQs as you want. If you visit the Domain Tools website, in the home page, you can see that there are 6 questions. So for this category, you have to just simply Google for best domain checker, and you can see that these are basically maybe this one, or what are the best domain checker tools, maybe, or site. Is up to you. Yeah, you can, I don't know, it's up to you. You can just simply add a question and then answer them here. If they were basically SEO optimized, then I think it will increase the chances of ranking your website on Google. And there is also the header and footer links. You can configure them the way you want. And TLDS settings is basically the affiliate category where you can increase them, add them, and many other stuff that you can go around. And also this, you can ask the support team of uh, the domain tools that you purchased. So this is basically how you can create a domain tools website. So if this video is really helpful, do not forget to subscribe the my channel, which is IntoGuide YouTube channel, and I do not own the IntoGuide website, so keep that in mind. Where was that one? Yeah, that is here. Also, I have also created other videos of how you can create a website similar to YouTube without coding. There's also a video of how you can create a website similar to smallseo-tools.com. So there are in the future I'll also be uploading more videos of like this, how you can create such websites without any coding. So I hope this will help you, uh, and do not forget to subscribe, comment, like on my videos. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.